Welcome to the world of pressure washing, a business with viral potential. Have you ever witnessed the magic of a pressure washer transforming a grimy driveway into a spotless masterpiece? It's one of the most satisfying things to watch, and it's no wonder pressure washing videos are taking the internet by storm. But here's the exciting part. This isn't just about creating viral content. It's also about building a profitable business. Imagine earning $1,000 a day simply by cleaning driveways, patios, or sidewalks. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time venture, pressure washing offers low startup costs, high demand, and endless opportunities for growth. The secret sauce: combining satisfying visuals with education. What makes pressure washing so popular online? It's the perfect mix of mesmerizing visuals and practical value. Time-lapse videos of dirt and grime being blasted away are not only entertaining, but also incredibly shareable, making them ripe for going viral. But here's the key to standing out. Don't just clean, teach. Share tips, tricks, and insights about the process. For example, explain the importance of using the right nozzle for different surfaces, or how to safely operate a pressure washer without causing damage. By educating your audience, you position yourself as an expert while keeping them hooked on the visual transformation. Getting started: tools, techniques, and tips for success. Starting a pressure washing business is easier than you might think. All you need is a quality pressure washer, a surface cleaner attachment, and some basic cleaning solutions. Focus on residential areas. Driveways, decks, fences, and sidewalks are always in need of attention. To maximize your income, consider offering bundled services like gutter cleaning or house washing. And don't forget safety. Always wear protective gear and test the pressure on a small area before diving in. The beauty of this business is that it's scalable. You can start solo and eventually expand by hiring a team or investing in more advanced equipment. Marketing your business: leveraging the power of social media. In today's digital age, social media is your best friend. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube thrive on visually satisfying content, making them perfect for showcasing your pressure washing skills. Post time-lapse videos of your work, before and after shots, and even customer testimonials. Use trending hashtags like #PressureWashing, #SatisfyingVideos, and #CleanTalk to boost visibility. Don't underestimate the power of local marketing either. Join community groups on Facebook, hand out flyers, and ask happy customers to leave reviews on Google. A strong online presence combined with word-of-mouth referrals can skyrocket your business. Final thoughts: turning dirt into dollars. Pressure washing is more than just cleaning. It's about transformation, both for your clients and your own financial future. With the right tools, techniques, and marketing strategy, you can turn this simple service into a lucrative business. Plus, the satisfaction of seeing your work go viral or hearing a customer rave about their sparkling driveway is unmatched. So what are you waiting for? Grab that pressure washer, hit record, and start building the business and the life you've always dreamed of. The dirt is waiting, and so is your success.